this is Kelvin Buckner here with another DIY video of how to replace spark plugs on a 2014 Nissan Rogue. This vehicle has multiple faults in the system. So we're going to go ahead and replace the ignition coils and the spark plugs. So before you get started, you should always try to inspect and see where the location of the spark plugs and the ignition coils are located. And also notice where you have to remove anything before you get into the spark plugs. So as you see right here, there's a couple items I have to remove before I get to the spark plugs and the ignition coils. All right, so right out the gate, we're gonna start off with this invention right here. YouTube won't allow me to say what I really want to say, so we're gonna leave it at that. Just that was a horrible design. That was a horrible location. So I went ahead and got my own jack stand, or I'm sorry, our holder, I guess, to hold it in. So first thing you'd have to do, because this is a Nissan, you're gonna have to pop up this trim right here and pop this tab up. Now the little tricky part is right underneath here, which I'm sorry you didn't get to see it, but I had to actually figure it out for myself. You have to pop it out of this groove right here. So what I did was I used rubber care treatment and a pry bar. Or you can use a flathead screwdriver. You want to tap right here and push up with this portion right here. Like use a long screwdriver, flathead, I would say, and then tilt it up like that, and then it pops out. So I'm not going to remove the whole entire thing. However, I just want to let you know that over here, this tab, you might have to remove this return hose right here. So remember that. And what I'm going to do is use the same pry bar and jack up this spot right here. Here's the rubber care treatment that I mentioned earlier. It does a lot. Cleaning, removing, maintaining. Now I would just remove this whole piece right here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to jack it up and I use a pry bar and hold it in place. Now this particular Nissan, I would have to remove a couple items before I get started. But keep in mind, you should always know how to access all the spark plug and ignition coils as you see right here. Just like how you see here, all I need to do is get into this axis right here. All right, so the spark plug socket that was used to remove the spark plugs from this car is not the same type of spark plug that you see in a normal car. This is actually a 9/16 or a 14 millimeter, if I got my fractions right. But this is a lot smaller than what you would normally use, so it's a lot tighter hole, just to let you know. And also, got everything else installed already, as you can see right here. Wasn't a bad job. Huge shout out to my pry bar for holding it down for today. All right, so make sure everything's back together. It wasn't that hard. It's pretty easy. Actually, it was a lot easier than it really looked. So all I gotta do is start it up and see how it runs. Now, when this vehicle came in, and it came in running rough, came in with misfire faults, multiple misfire faults in cylinder number 4, number 2, and 300 for random misfire. So it also had air fuel mixture faults or lean faults. Well, that could be understandable due to the fact that it is running rough. So I'm gonna rule out the there we go. vehicle runs good. I'm sorry, I actually thought this vehicle had 100,000 miles. This vehicle only has 49. Didn't even break the 50 mark.